Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gokuleta Sutole. Guys, thank you so much guys for taking me to 120 subscribers. Guys, we are on 120 subscribers. Thank you so very much, you guys. I appreciate you. I love you so much. Thank you guys. Guys, today we are making this beautiful lumptious bread. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. This is everything we're gonna need for this. These are all the ingredients, guys. Very simple, very easy, like anyone can do this. 2 tablespoons of yeast. We're gonna put 3 tablespoons of sugar and add lukewarm water. Guys, this is not cold, like water has to be warm. And this, guys, I'm gonna use 1 cup of warm water and 1 cup of warm milk. In this bowl we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt and just mix everything together. And now guys, the next step is to just mix the dry with the wet. And I'm now adding 1 cup of milk, but I'm just gonna add half of it. This is 1 cup of fresh milk, you guys. It's warm, not cold. You see my flour is still very dry, so I'm still gonna add my water and my milk. And I'm just gonna keep mixing. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go in with my hands. And now I'm just gonna throw in my 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Not melted, but soft butter, like very soft. And just continue mixing. I know guys, it seems so messy right now, but guys, just trust the process. It's gonna come together. Just keep mixing, and then guys, I'm gonna just give this a rest. I'm gonna give it a rest for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna cover it and let it rest. Okay guys, this is after 5 minutes. Our dough have rested, and now I'm gonna continue kneading. So I'm now going to just transfer my dough to my work surface and continue kneading, guys. This process is very important, like it's very important. Guys, if you want a very soft and lumptious bread, guys, this process is very important. Keep kneading your dough. You just pull, you press, you pull, you press, you pull, you stretch, like easy, guys. Do this process please for at least 8 minutes, guys, like 8 minutes. Okay guys, I'm now gonna just grease my container with oil to avoid my dough from sticking. And then guys, I'm just gonna transfer my dough to this bowl and then let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes, guys, until it doubles in size, and then we're gonna take it from there. Okay guys, while waiting for our dough to double in size, we're just gonna prepare our baking tins. Guys, this is just the fish oil I'm using. This is Excella. So I'm just gonna put just a drop and just grease the pan with it to avoid my dough from sticking, guys. This is non-stick pan. This is non-stick tin, guys, but I don't trust. I want to be sure. I want to be extra careful. I want to be extra sure, guys, that my bread is not going to stick. That's why I'm doing this process, you guys. So just dust the tin with flour and do the same thing to the next tin. And not forgetting the sides. Not forgetting the sides. Okay guys, this is after 40 minutes. Our dough has doubled in size, and guys, look at this. It looks so nice. It looks so soft, you guys. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. So now I'm just gonna knead it for the last time before I separate it into two, because remember guys, we have two tins, so we're gonna make two bread. So yeah, I'm just gonna knead it for just a bit and then separate it. Now I'm dusting my work surface before I transfer my dough. Okay, now guys, I'm shaping my bread. Like I'm shaping my dough. So I'm just gonna pull, tug, pull and tug, you guys. Very simple. Okay guys, I'm still gonna let my dough rest in the tins for another 20 minutes before I bake. Okay guys, our dough is ready to bake. Look how nice it has risen, you guys. So now my oven is preheated to 190 degrees. Okay guys, I'm gonna bake this for only 20 minutes. Ooh, our bread is ready. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful, you guys. The second one, guys, doesn't have the best shape in the world, but it's still beautiful. It's still beautiful, you guys. And so now I'm gonna just transfer my bread into a cooling rack, you guys. And then just let it rest for about 10 minutes before we can just enjoy it. This is just my melted butter, guys. The bread is ready. You can just enjoy the bread the way it is. But if you like me, you like the beautiful finish, the beautiful glossy finish, then you can do the step, you guys. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. How soft is my bread, you guys? How soft is my bread? Guys, like I'm so proud. Guys, at this stage, I always get so proud. Like, okay, this is the work of my hands. Like, yeah. I do not know if it's showing on your side, guys. This bread is so beautiful. It's so soft. It smells like so nice. Yeah, guys. Once again, guys, I want to thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I thank you guys. I'm 120 subscribers. 120 subscribers. And guys, we are on 100 and we are on a road to 200 subscribers, guys. Please don't forget to keep on sharing. Keep on sharing my videos. Don't forget to like this video, comment, guys, and please let me know if it's showing on your side. Or this bread is the bomb. Please let me know. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Please continue supporting me. We are on a road to 200 subscribers, and yeah, guys, I believe we're gonna get there. and you're gonna get to 500 so soon. You're gonna get to 1,000. Like, you're gonna keep growing. Thank you guys so much. Kuyavela yini guys, kuyavela yini how soft this bread is. Yes, you guys, and it tastes amazing. Okay, bye my loves, and I love you so much. Bye.